Netherlands is world famous for its old historic windmills, and the best place one can see them near Amsterdam is a place called Zandseskans, located in the Dutch town of Zaandam. Zandseskans is one of the most beautiful and a must-visit tourist attraction of Netherlands, popular for its collection of well-preserved historic windmills that were relocated here to recreate the look of an 18th or 19th century village. Among hundreds, only 6 of these windmills still exist and can still be visited today. So, without wasting any time, let's go inside one of the most popular windmill of this area called De Cat or The Cat. You can see how these wind-powered machines work inside and out with a ticket of €5 only. On the ground floor, we could see the huge grindstones crushing the chalk. During the 17th century, more than 600 windmills were constructed in the area around the Zandseskans, creating the first industrial zone. The windmills were used to grind spices, barley, produce paint, saw wood, and make oils. De Cat specializes in manufacturing high-quality painting materials. This mill is the only remaining working windmill in the world which makes paint. You can go up the narrow and steep stairs to get a closer look at the process above, especially when the mill is running. The creaking, toiling wood and all moving parts in the belly of the building will make you realize how creative and developed they were even few centuries ago. You can see up close how everything works, and that too live. That makes it unique. Original mill De Cat was built in 1646 as an oil mill. In 1782, the mill was destroyed by fire, but the mill was rapidly rebuilt again. Since its restoration and partial rebuild in 1960, it has been fitted out to grind coloring materials such as chalk to make pigments for paints in the traditional way. All these mills played an important role in the development of the Netherlands from the Golden Age. climb up to the deck of the mill via the narrow stairs and enjoy a beautiful panorama of the Zaan River and a closer look to the gigantic turbines. This serene view from the top of the windmill is something that you will remember for long. Looking at the horizon from the top of this windmill gives a wider view of the whole Zanskhe Khans region, keeping all the historical windmills in the background. I must say, you won't regret visiting this beautiful old Dutch town. On the way to exit, there is a souvenir shop with typical Dutch souvenirs that you can buy as a memento. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, for whatsoever reason, please like the video and subscribe my channel to follow my work. Let me know your thoughts about this video by commenting below. Feel free to share the video as well. That's it for now. Be happy and keep exploring.